Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be super short. It's just going to be a quick tutorial on how exactly you can change and or cancel your reinvestments that you've already scheduled here on Treasury Direct. You can see, first of all, I have 3 different T-bills that I've purchased for just $100 each, just to show you for the purpose of this video. One important thing to keep in mind is that if it's within 4 business days of this maturity date right here, you are not going to be able to cancel the reinvestment. Let's go ahead and get right into how we're gonna do this. The first thing we're gonna do is click on this Manage Direct button, and then we're gonna look in the bottom left corner of our screen and press the Edit Reinvestments. This will bring us to an option. In my case, mine are Treasury bills. Yours could be bonds or notes, however. And finally, we will see this screen right here, which shows you that I signed up for 3 automatic reinvestments on each of these bills. Now, at this point, we can either change it. For example, with this top bill, I'll change it to 2 reinvestments, or we can completely cancel it altogether by entering a 0 into that box. I'll change this to 1 just for the purpose of this video, and then we'll press the button that says Submit. Treasury Direct is reminding me that I forgot one crucial step. That's going to be to check these boxes here on the left, and then you'll press Submit. After that, you'll see this confirmation appear on the top of your screen. You'll also receive an email to your Treasury Direct account confirming what has happened, and you can see because I put 0 on that bottom Treasury bill, it actually disappeared because there are no reinvestments pending. I hope that was helpful. If you have any more questions, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. Subscribe and like the video, but other than that, we'll see you in the next one.